Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your backup codes on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here on your iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter. So on here, we're going to have to get into the settings to find those backup codes. So tap the profile at the bottom right. And at the top right there, let's tap on those three lines. Now you can see at the very top is Account Center. Let's choose that. And this will show you your account center for your Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger account. Let's scroll down and tap on Password and Security. You'll see here change password and two-factor authentication. Let's tap on two-factor authentication. And then this is for Instagram, so let's tap on that. Now it says here, we'll ask for a login code anytime we don't recognize that device. The default is that they will text you that code to your phone number, but you can also use your backup codes. To do that, let's tap on additional methods here, and then backup codes finally. So they kind of bury this in here, but it says save your backup codes in a safe place. Without these, you may not be able to log into your account if you lose access to your phone or can't log in using your security method. You can use each backup code one time. You can always get new codes basically just by tapping the get new codes. But I would recommend finding a pencil and paper somewhere and writing down these codes. Essentially, this will allow you to log into your account. If you lost your phone, you don't have access to your phone number anymore, you forgot your password, any of those things. I hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing down below. It really helps me out. And I'll catch you on the next one.